Let's check out the story. Best Friends Forever. Mia had a soft, floppy-eared bunny named Coco. Every morning, she tucked Coco into her backpack before school. At playtime, they shared secrets under the big oak tree. When Mia felt scared or sad, Coco's fuzzy ears made her smile. One rainy day, they built a blanket fort and read books by the flashlight. Mia whispered, "You're my best friend, Coco." And though Coco never spoke, Mia knew he always listened. Well, that is a very, very cute and very nice story. As you can see the little picture, Mia hugging her little bunny. Aww. Anyway, let's look at the questions. Question number 1. What is the name of Mia's toy bunny? Was it Coco or Fluffy? And I know those two are very cute names for a bunny. So, the answer is Coco. Woohoo! As you can see in the story, it says, Mia had a soft, floppy-eared bunny named Coco. So yeah, question 1 is a go. Question 2. Where does Mia put Coco before going to school? In her toy box or in her backpack? In her backpack. As you can see in the story, it says every morning she tucked Coco into her backpack before school. Great work, everybody. Question number 3. What do Mia and Coco do under the big oak tree? Do they share secrets or eat lunch? Yes, they share secrets with each other. In the story, it says, at playtime, they shared secrets under the big oak tree. Great job, everybody. Question number 4. How does Coco make Mia feel when she is scared or sad? Does Coco make Mia feel tired? Or does Coco make Mia feel happy and safe? If you said happy and safe, great work, everybody. In this sentence, it says, when Mia feels scared or sad, Coco's fuzzy ears made her smile. If Coco is making Mia smile, of course it means that she's happy and safe. Great work. Question 5. What do Mia and Coco do on a rainy day? Do they build a blanket fort and read books? Or do they just lay on the couch and watch TV? I wonder. Yes, they build a blanket fort and read books. On the next page of the story, it says, one rainy day, they build a blanket fort and read books by the flashlight. Great work, everybody. This is the answer. Question 6. What does Mia say to Coco in the blanket fort? Does she say that you're a silly bunny? Or does she say, you're my best friend, Coco? Yes, everybody. She says, you are my best friend, Coco. In the next sentence, it says, Mia whispered, you're my best friend, Coco. Whispered just means she said it in a quiet way. Question 7. Does Coco talk back to Mia? No, but Mia feels that he listens. Yes, all the time. Which one is it? If you said no, great job. 1, because it's a toy. Toys can't talk. But number 2, in the story, it says, and though Coco never spoke, Mia knew he always listened. Well, that was a very beautiful story, everyone. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Fun Learn Explore. Thank you.